Hey there, more work at night. Got our work light again. I have put on the other idler caster onto the right wheel fork, so hopefully that will give a little bit of relief to the angle of the steering fork. But we will have to wait and see for a electrified test in the next few days. Still got to get around to removing some of the snow from around it, but hey, hopefully with that and the working transmission, we can see a test drive very soon in the snow. Maybe even in the dark. But I've also got some black plastic so I can replace some of the terrible dust covering of garbage bags with something a little more sturdy. We've got some husky plastic sheeting. Oh, cubrimiento plastico. Oh, very tough. It is 3.5 millimeters thick. Oh, 250 square feet, 10 by 25. That ought to be enough to cover up Marduk's bottom, because he's got his butt hanging out and some of his legs hanging out for everyone to see. And, well, we don't want to be having naked mechs running around, do we? So we'll use the plastic, wrap it up, make sure those wheel forks are, make sure those idlers on the wheel forks are working properly, and test run pretty soon. So be sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, bye-bye.